So here we have it. Yo, what's up everybody? We're back here on the channel at the garage and we're getting it done. Doing some more work on this convertible foxbody, and we're about to show you the surprises you get with these 30-year-old plus cars. So let's have it. So we're doing some work on the foxbody. We got the fuel tank removed and we experienced some surprises. So here it is. The fuel pump hanger that was in the car and running was in there like this. Now, you know, the wires were connected and the clamps were on and everything, but otherwise this was laying there like that in the bottom of the tank. This was in there moving around. Fuel filter was off of this in the bottom of the tank. And this is what it's supposed to look like. So we either had to get a new one. Luckily I had one laying around from a previous Fox that we're gonna throw in. And while trying to put this in, we hit yet another surprise. So this is a stock hanger out of a Fox body. I wired up the plug. It's an Aeromotive 340 Stealth that's going to go in. So we need a new tank. Come to find out, the tank is dented in. So this is the big surprise. Look how bad this thing is dented in. They must have went in a ditch or over a curb. But this is dented in pretty good right here. I'm surprised the baffle around the fuel pump isn't broke. Like the fuel tank I had in my car, they must have went in a ditch or over a curb or something. My fuel tank had a dent in it too. Not quite as bad as this because I was able to hammer it out and put the fuel pump back in, but the baffle was broke on the inside moving around. So like I said, you can get some surprises with these older cars. And if we were never gonna change the fuel pump because of the upgrades we made, this would still be in the tank moving around like that when you're hitting bumps and corners, banging off the baffle on the inside. This would have been on the bottom of the tank. So we're gonna trash those, trash the tank, reuse the valve, the harness, and the fuel level sender. Probably have to get some different padding like I did on my tank. I have some stuff left over. We got the sweet rear end cover on. Everything's tightened up except the top plug to fill it. We're still waiting on fluid and a fuel filter to come in. But everything's gasketed up, tightened down. Sweet aluminum powder coated white rear end cover we got on there. Fuel tank's out, waiting for the new one to come in. We got the control arms off. Control arms are off of this side. We got a couple little things to take off. Steering shaft, steering rack bolts, motor mount bolts, and then I think we're ready to loosen up the K-member bolts. So we got 2 up here, 2 over on the other side. We got 2 down here and 2 on the other side. And we're on break right now. Lua. So yep, We're still using the stock Fox brakes and spindle for now. We got the end links on, the bolts where they gotta go, where they came out of. The fuel lines and all the clippings. These are the factory brakes and spindles. We're putting brand new springs on, factory ride height, factory style springs. So this is a setup that we're about to start installing on it. So like I said, there's hidden surprises in older cars. So when getting them and you think what you're getting, it might not be what you're getting. Would have never known this was like this in the tank until you went to change it, upgrade it. Like we're upgrading it right now because of other upgrades that are done. We needed a fuel pump. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in. You know what to do till that next video. Peace.